The following video is sponsored by W Energy Powder for Gamers. Use code Treyblowski10 for 10% off your order at w.gg. Salutations, Treyblowski Nation! Welcome back to another Treyblowski video. We're playing The Fear Factory. It's factory. There's fear. It's like Catgirl Chainsaw Massacre. Do I really need to say any more? Let's play. Okay. Is it broken? Let me try again. There we go. Will it work this time? No, it's pin. Hold mouse 1 to use flashlight, hold shift to sprint, blue light equals hints. What is that? Oh.
Hey, Cherry. Welcome to your new job as a security guard. Your role here is to keep the building safe and secure during the night shift. We've had some issues with the building's electrical and plumbing systems. The cameras will help you scope out the situation, but don't be afraid to walk around and explore a bit too.
And that is Sheila.
On the counter. With that, you can access any part of the factory if needed. Just make sure to recharge yourself regularly, or you'll be dozing off before you know it. Good luck and stay safe.
I'm kind of hoping it would say Mr. Winters. Ew. I ain't even being mean. This guy's blender renders are better than mine. There's heart. Eee. Clown.
Nice.
Ceiling window here. Clown. Whoa! Where'd Clown go? I don't like that. Hey, the lights are on now. There's no door. No! Oh, I don't like this. I do not like this. I am in a clown maze.
It has come to our attention that some of the toys we've produced in the past have been recalled due to safety concerns. We take these matters very seriously, and we're working hard to ensure that all of our toys meet the highest safety standards.
I don't like that. Ah!
I don't know how much longer I can take this. The toys, they're watching me.
What?
They move when I'm not looking.
What?
I know it sounds crazy.
It is.
But it's true. I'm getting out of here before it's too late.
This is actually creepier. than something that was like a lot of work going in. And for all I know, this may just be like temporary stuff the developer is putting in while he learns how to utilize everything better.
From the diary of a former janitor, they say that paranormal activities occur here, that there are living toys that roam the halls. But it's not the toys that are the problem. It's something much worse.
Particles. We're stuck in a labyrinth.
From the desk of the new CEO, we are proud to announce that the factory's new line of toys will be unveiled at the upcoming Toy Fair.
The ones everyone's saying are really dangerous? Ah. Oh. I left my TV on idle and it turned off. Ah! Oh no 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 no! Oh, well, that jump scare was actually pretty interesting. I like the distortion there. Let me see if I got all the notes. Maybe I got that full pin. Okay. I actually watched through it this time, and I got the numbers for that pin. Let me see if let me actually enter them. Oh, okay. Well, I can't enter it in.
Hey, Cherry. Welcome to your new job as a security guard. Your role here is to keep the building safe and secure during the night shift. We've had some issues with the building's electrical and plumbing systems. The cameras will help you scope out the situation, but don't be afraid to walk around and explore a bit too. I left the keycard for you on the counter. With that, you can access any part of the factory if needed. Just make sure to recharge yourself regularly, or you'll be dozing off before you know it. Good luck and stay safe.
It has come to our attention that some of the toys we've produced in the past have been recalled due to safety concerns. We take these matters very seriously, and we're working hard to ensure that all of our toys meet the highest
I don't
safety
know how much
standards.
longer I can take this. The toys, they're watching me. They move when I'm not looking.
From the diary of a
I know it
former
sounds
janitor,
crazy, but it's true.
they say that paranormal
I'm getting out of
activities
here
occur
before it's
here,
too late.
that there are
From the
living
desk
toys
of the
that
new
roam the
CEO,
halls.
we are proud
it's not
to
the
announce
toys
that
that
the
are the
factory's
problem.
new line
It's
of
something
toys
much
will be
worse.
unveiled
It's a
at the
cacophony.
upcoming Toy Fair.
Oh. All paths go to the red place. Except this one. Ah! I went into the wrong place. Ah! It closed. I won't let this get the better of me.
Hey, Cherry. Welcome to your new job as a security guard. Your role here is to keep the building safe and secure during the night shift. We've had some issues with the building's electrical and plumbing systems. The cameras will help you scope out the situation, but but don't be afraid to walk around and explore a bit too. I've left a key card for you on the counter. With that, you can
Let's
access
see if we
any
can get
part
a
of the
little
factory
farther
you
than we
need.
have the last
Just
few
make sure
times.
to recharge yourself regularly, or you'll be dozing off before
Legs
you
are
know it.
broken.
Good luck and stay safe.
It has come to our attention that some of the toys we've produced in the past have been recalled due to safety concerns.
I
We
don't know
take
how much
these
longer
matters
I can
very
take this.
seriously,
The
and we're
toys,
working hard to ensure that
they're
all of our
watching me.
toys meet the highest
They move
safety
when I'm
From the
not looking.
diary of a former
I
janitor,
know it sounds crazy.
they say that
but it's true.
paranormal activities occur
Getting
here.
out
From the
here
desk
That
of
there
the
are
new
living
CEO,
toys that roam the
we are
halls.
proud to announce that
but
the
it's not the
factory's
toys that
new
are the
line of
problem.
toys will be
It's
unveiled
something
at
much
the
worse.
upcoming toy fair.
Where are you? Ah! Ah! Oh, good God. I can only imagine how terrible the final render of that thing's gonna look. But sorry, I was seeing how long we had gotten this one. It's a good concept for a horror game. I think if they can start to sort of learn how to do this 3D modeling some more, you could have a really cool looking game and concept. Like, even just seeing the version of the evil clown that's just made up of shapes, I see in my head what he's trying to go for, and I think he could really make this a fun little maze escape horror game. The pizza. Full screen English. Play. I am so excited for the party today. I need to prepare everything. Press E. I should first order a pizza. There should be a flyer with the number somewhere in the house. Objective: call pizza butt. Oh my God, that's an inside joke me and a friend have where we just randomly call Pizza Hut Pizza Butt because it makes them laugh. I think it's like a kind of like, there's the flyer, Pizza Butt. Oh, I think it's there's that video. Oh, we have a turlet. Oh, like, I think it was like a VTuber on VR chat where she's like a Domino's pizza delivery guy. She's like, another one who looks exactly like her walks over pizza. Get out of here! Nobody wants Pizza Hut. So, so I just think it's funny to instead have it say, "Get out of here! Nobody wants Pizza Butt." What the heck would Pizza Butt be? Like, you got a bunch of pimples on your butt? I am not very mature for my age. Call Pizza Butt. 834711. Okay, let's call Pizza Butt. We're calling Pizza Butt. Pizza Butt, butt, pizza butt, 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 pizza butt, butt, Pizza Butt. Uh-oh. This is where my short-term memory issues are going to be a problem. Not 834711, 834711, 834711, 834711, 834711. We're gonna order pizza. Bye-bye. Pizza butt worker. Hello. Greetings, I would like to order 4 large pineapple pizza. Ugh. It says, please. Very well. Your order will arrive shortly. We hope you will enjoy it. Alright, now I need to prepare some snacks and a movie. I should set everything up in the living room. Pizza butt, pizza butt. We're gonna get a pizza from Pizza Butt. Pizza Butt, Pizza Butt. Am I just Am I just glad this game is giving me the excuse to say pizza butt over and over again? Yes. Ooh. Trying to not break. Could that be one of the guests? Hang on. Gonna get some pizza, but... Hello? Hello? Is anyone out here? Hello? Somebody's having a laugh at my expense. And I left the door open. The pixelation makes that look horrifying. Don't play with... Don't... Sorry, this video will probably go up in June, but Video Games by Tenacious D just dropped a few days ago. And that song has been stuck in my head. Ooh. Someone's at the phone. Someone's at the phone. Phone. You have chosen wrong. Pizza Butt worker? I have no more snacks. Where will I find another snack? Cabinets? Where will I find a movie? Oh, cool, my window. VHS tapes. Huh? That's strange. I should check the breaker. It's located in the outside in the back. We are gonna die. I always hate that. What? What is that? What was that? It's like the demon from the 3D house tour game I played years ago on Isaac and Friends. That's just a piece of meat. Could that be one of the guests? Who puts a window right there in a bathroom? Ah! Thank you for playing a game by Abram Ozon for the AGGFR. Press escape to go to the main menu. That was short. This one is called It's Just a Normal Game. Play the game. Wait. That back door's wide open. Play the game. Oh God. It's Flappy Bird. Jet Cara. What? Close the door. Come on. Come on. Who's there? Footsteps. I hear footsteps. Oh. This is the greatest I think anyone's ever... He's right behind me, isn't he? Oh. No. Oh. Where is he? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, 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 blood. Blood. Where's blood? Oh no. Oh. Oh. Oh dear God. Oh. Oh, thank God it just closed. Whew. Oh, okay. I'm gonna regret this, but we need to see what happens if we left the door open. Huh? Ah! Huh. Okay then. I don't think we can replay this without re-downloading it. No, we can't. Ah! Okay. He's gonna do his trick. Ah! Sorry about that background noise. Okay. I think this game was only meant to be played once. I guess that concludes our 3 short, scary games. So, if you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, if you want to support us further, you can always become a Patreon, become a member, buy merch at our Spreadshirt store. My head is not moving. Okay, there we go. Buy merch at our Spreadshirt store. Or just watch our videos all the way through. Have a good day, Treyblowski Nation. 1,700 strong and growing. I need to get this evil off my computer.